Okay, Tony, can you see my screen? Okay,
Yes, I
listen.
can see.
Tony, this question is a bit tricky. I want you to focus on this, all right? So what you are going to do here, Tony, is to read the text and choose the best answer. So here, there are questions. It is in a question form. You read the question, try to find what's the answer for each question. Example. I have your example, Tony. Hello, Pat. Shall I carry your books? The answer is yes, please. That is the best answer. So, Tony, in this activity, there may be two correct answers, but I want you to find which one is the best. Okay? Now here, you answer number one. Go.
Why didn't you come for table tennis yesterday?
Okay, why didn't you come for table tennis yesterday? A. What's letter A? What's letter A?
And I was ill.
B.
Because I was tired.
C.
But I had C. But I had to go with my mother.
Okay, which one there is the correct response or answer? Why didn't you come for table tennis yesterday? Is it A, I was ill? B, because I was tired? Or C, but I had to go with my mother? Which one there is the correct answer, Tony? Come on, think carefully.
I don't.
Okay, let's check. Why didn't you come for table tennis yesterday? The best answer for this, Tony, is very good, because I was tired. Congratulations. Your number one's correct. So here, let's proceed to number 2, number 3, 4, and 5. Okay, go. I want you to answer by yourself. Later, I will ask you to read for a review. Okay? Tony, go.
And this one comes
ốc thì đấy nó có ốc không, bởi vì là chúng ốc cũng chết rồi.
Oh, you read number 2. You read number 2.
Okay. 2. You want to home and see my new kite?
A. What's letter A? What do you think is the best answer? Please read the, Tony, you have to read the choices for you to know.
I've got to go home. B. I want it. C. I'm not coming.
Okay. Do you want to come and see my new kite? Which one there is the best answer? Your friend Bill asked you if you want to come and see my new kite. What would you say? A, I've got to go home. B, I want it. Or C, I'm not coming. Look at the question. Do you want? He's asking if do you want. Next, number 2. Oh no, number 3.
Can you come tomorrow then?
A,
A, you can come. B, I will ask my mom. C, is today.
All right. Can you, wait for a while. Can you come tomorrow then? A, you can come. B, I'll ask my mom. Or C, it's okay. Look at the question. Bill is asking Pat, can you come tomorrow then? Oh, example, I am Bill and you are Pat. I'll ask you, Tony, can you come tomorrow? What's your response? A, you can come. B, I'll ask my mom. Or C is today.
Today. Dun, dun, dun. Bom, bô, la, bô, da, da, da. Mm, 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 mm. Ding, 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 ding. Dun. Have you got homework to do?
Okay, number 4. Is it correct? It's today? Look at here. Bill is asking Pat, can you come tomorrow? Then, so Pat will say, it's today. Oh, do you think that's the best answer?
Yes.
Okay. You think later we will discuss the answer. Oh, you answer 4. Read 4 first. 4.
Something here.
Number 4. So, have you got homework to do? Please read, Tony.
I'm done.
Number 4.
Have you got homework to do?
What's the answer?
Yes, a lot. Why are you stopping here? This is my house. Here are your books, then. Oh, yes, thanks.
Okay, wait. All right, Tony, are you now sure with your answers?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, let's try to check and correct your answer. Number 2, let's try to understand, Tony, what's question 2. Do you want, Bill is asking his friend Pat. Okay, Bill is asking, do you want to come and see my kite? You said, I'm not coming. The question, Tony, is, do you want to come? He's asking Bill if he wants to come to their house and see the kite. Is it correct that Pat will say, I'm not coming? I'm just asking. Bill is just asking if his friend wants to come. The best answer here, Tony, is letter A. I've got to go home. It's not asking if you're coming or not, because I'm asking, do you want? Is it yes or no? Okay, that's why C is not the best answer. Number 3, can you come tomorrow then? The answer is, I'll ask my mom. It's not, it's today. Look at the question, Tony. We have used here the word tomorrow. It's today is very far answer. Oh, can you ask? If I ask you, Tony, can you come to my house tomorrow? What will you say? You will answer, it's okay. You will not say that. First thing you will do is, I'll ask my mom. Okay. Next, number 4. Have you got homework to do? The correct answer is, All right, you are correct. Number 4, Tony. It is, yes, a lot. Oh, you're correct. Number 4. Number 5, Tony. Why are you stopping here? The correct answer is B. Correct. This is my house. Number 6. Here are your books then. Best answer is, oh yes. Thanks. Okay. So Tony, here in the 6 numbers, you've got 4 out of 6 correct answers. So you just got 2 mistakes. So Tony, this type of test needs understanding of the question. If you don't understand the question, of course, you cannot give the best answer. So careful. Tony, this one's very easy. You're going to complete the story using the given words here. We have trousers as the example, coffee, party, door, laugh, street, teeth, cook, road. Tony, listen. Do you understand these words? The given words? Yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, Tony, I want you to read the text or the story and write the answer. Go. Number 1. One day. Please read now. One day.
One day last week, Jim got up and went to work. He put on his trousers, shirt, and jacket very quickly
Not
because
quickly.
his family weren't awake. Then he went to the bathroom, had a shower, and cleaned his blanket.
Oh, which one the answer? Tony, look at here, huh? Then he went to the bathroom, had a shower, and cleaned his blank. If you go to the bathroom, what do you clean? Look at the given choices. What's the best answer? Cleaned. You are in the bathroom, you had the shower, and
Trousers.
clean the trousers in the bathroom. Trousers is given answer. That's the example. Tony, use the word coffee, party, door, laugh, street, teeth, cook, road. Which one there?
What is road?
Road is the past tense of ride. Wait, I will try to find. Ride. Riding a bicycle. That's road. Past tense of ride. That's road. Wait, let me see the translation. Oh, which one there? Tony, you went to the bathroom, you had a shower and cleaned your, which one? Which one you cleaned in the bathroom?
Teeth.
Okay, write your answer. Please write the correct answer. I have here the translation, Tony. It's the choice. Come on, write your answer. Okay, next, read. He went down. Go.
He went downstairs to the kitchen and made
Kitchen,
a
not
cup.
chicken. Kitchen.
Kitchen and made a cup of
Cup of.
coffee.
All right. Very good. Okay, right.
And ate some bread and cheese. Then he picked up his bag and
Okay, look at here. Then he picked up his bag and blank to work on his bike. What will he do with his bike? And
wrote.
okay, write the answer. Hmm? Okay, next. Go, go, go. Look at
He
there,
worked
Tony.
on his bike. He was surprised because
the blank was very quiet. Look at here, oh. Then he picked up his bag and rode to work on his bike. He was surprised because the blank was very quiet. Which one there's very quiet?
street.
Okay, write your answer. Okay, next. There
Was
were
very quiet. There were no cars or people there. Jim worked at library, but when he tried to open the door
okay.
of the library, he called a
He
man
couldn't.
with a dog stopped it to talk to
Not
him.
stop it. Wait, Tony.
Yes.
It's stopped. Do not say stop it.
Stopped.
Good.
Stopped
Correct.
to talk to him. It's Sunday, you know, he said. The library isn't open today.
Jim.
Jim. Laughed.
Oh, not laugh.
Laughed.
Laughed. Laughed.
Laughed. Laughed.
You say laughed. Laughed.
Laughed.
Correct.
Oh, great, he said. I can go back to bed.
So, Tony, let's check now your answer. Okay. Number 1, listen. So, one day last week, Jim got up and went to work. He put on his trousers, shirt, and jacket very quietly because his family weren't awake. Then he went to the bathroom. He had a shower and cleaned his, look at number 1. Teeth is correct. He went downstairs to the kitchen and made a cup of coffee and ate some bread and cheese. Then he picked up his bag and rode, correct, to work on his bike. He was surprised because the street, very good, was very quiet. There were no cars or people there. Jim worked at library, but when he tried to open the door, very good, of the library, he couldn't. A man with a dog stopped to talk to him. Sunday, he said, the library isn't open today, Jim. Laughed. Oi, very good, Tony. Let's say laughed, it's laughed. Okay,
Laugh.
careful with the pronunciation. Laughed. Oh, great, he said. I can go back to bed. Great work, Tony. Part 4 is correctly and perfectly answered. All right. So, Tony, I think we're going to end there because it's already time. And Tony, please be careful in understanding, okay? Also with your pronunciation, teacher will be listening to how you pronounce those words so we can correct it, okay? And we're going to have more readings for you to enhance your reading comprehension, okay? But congratulations for today, Tony. It was good, okay? So that's all for today. Good night for now, Tony. And see you
Good
again on
night.
Saturday. Bye. Goodbye,
Bye-bye.
Tony. Good night.